How to make a slow motion TikTok. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make a slow motion TikTok. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Find the video. On the TikTok homepage, find a video that has a scroll bar below so you can swipe left to right to rewind or fast forward through the video. Not all TikTok videos have it. Step 2. Playback speed. Once you find a video, tap the share icon. On the bottom section, swipe it until you find the playback speed. Tap it, then choose between 2, 1.5, normal, or 0.5 speed. And that's it! That is how you make a slow motion TikTok. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!